IoT devices, and the AI-powered software platform work in end-to-end integration. The system detects potential failures in advance through machine data it collects, such as vibration, ultrasound, and magnetic flux. It generates its own fault maintenance prescriptions and only involves human intervention when necessary. With monitoring dashboards accessible from any device, easy-to-install smart sensors, insightful management panels, and automated work order processes, machine health can be tracked remotely, continuously, and 24/7. Thanks to the project, not only are maintenance and spare part costs reduced, there will be a significant reduction in carbon emissions, while occupational health and safety, as well as energy efficiency, are improved. Field maintenance operations and service visit data are integrated into machine health insights, enhancing overall operational effectiveness. AI-based calculations and failure predictions can be monitored through the platform, while users receive instant notifications. As a result, machines operate with maximum lifespan, minimum downtime, and operational planning becomes more efficient and reliable. With the vision of Society 5.0, sustainable production and the future are now possible.